fruit. And then middle part is mesocarp, the fleshy, what you can say, the tasty, delicious part, juicy part that that we people are eating. That is actually the mesocarp. And innermost layer that covers the seed, that is actually endocarp. Endocarp. The innermost membranous layer, yeah, the innermost membranous layer that covers the seed, that is known as endocarp. Fine. Now, Isma, understood? Covered. Covered. Hmm. Okay, so now you understood, Isma and other student. Saad, Saad, what do you want to say? Saad, what do you want to say? You raised hand, Saad Ali. What do you want to say? That time you raised your hand. Okay. So, have you understood this dry fruits and fleshy fruits? So, what are fleshy fruits? Means explain the fleshy fruit. Explain fleshy fruit. Yes, yes, yes. Explain fleshy fruit. One at a time. Miso. Miso. Hmm. So in fleshy fruits, the pericarp is actually fleshy in nature or succulent in nature. So that's why it is categorized under the category of fleshy fruits. Fine. Now let's start parts of a seed. Parts of a seed. And before that, just a fact file is there. Fruit develop from part other than the ovary. Means if after fertilization ovary will not grow and other part will start growing and it forms the fruit, then this type of fruits are known as false fruit, like apple. What happened in apple after fertilization, ovary size is not increased, but the thalamus, that started increasing and that forms the edible part, the juicy part which we are eating of apple. That is not ovary, that is thalamus only. Ovary is just the most part where the seeds are there, that usually we cut and throw. So the edible part of the apple is actually the thalamus. So these type of fruit where ovary is not changed into fruit, these type of fruits are known as false fruit. False fruit. And if ovary changes into fruit, then they are known as true fruits. Got it? False fruit, true fruit. Okay. So now let's start parts of a seed. What? I'll my screen is not visible. I'll show another picture to you. That is, we started the parts of a seed. So for that, I'll just show you the picture. Hmm. Hmm. Just wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Yes. Two type of seeds are there. They are monocot and dicot. Where the one mono means one. If the one cotyledon is there, then they are monocot seed. They are called monocot seed. If the two cotyledons are there, then they are known as dicot seed. Yes. So let's start with the monocot seed. What are the different parts are there in that? So first, the seed coat. But seed coat in monocot usually, that is what you can say, that's not separate. Usually, these monocots, they are the plants which are